Hey guys, welcome to Eilleo channel. My name is Oleg and today I have electric dirt bike. This is the second bike which is mid-drive motor on my channel and one of the first dirt bike with no pedals. So in this video I will show you how to basically unbox, also show you what's included in the box and how to assemble it. If you want to see the full review video, I will have a link in description. Again, if you want to buy this bike, if you didn't buy it yet, I recommend to check the link in description for extra discounts, which will be like 25% off. That will make under $1,200, probably the best price on the market. And again, they include the free shipping as well. Again, this is kind of Black Friday sales, I would say. The bike actually built as motorcycle. It comes with very nice shock and same fork, which I'll show you everything in the review video. But let's open this box and see how the bicycle actually packed. Here's how it looks from the top, and here's how it looks from the side. Looks like everything packed very well. I'm gonna show you what's inside of this box, and here's what you're gonna find inside the box. User manual for this electric motorcycle. Looks good. It's EB007 official number from Spacewalk, and it's from Eilleo bikes. The charger is 3 amp charger, and it's a UL listed charger, which is great. It looks like it comes with a fan as well, so should work, will not get overheated. There's some bracket over here. I'm not sure what it's for. Maybe handlebar, I don't know, we'll figure it out. Then the packs, heavy duty packs actually, foldable as well. Bunch of tools in this bag, a lot of tools, full size, and the front fenders you need to attach. Spacewalk, and here's the bike, close up. So I'm gonna remove it from the box and we'll show you how to assemble. So my first step will be attaching the handlebar. So I'll just put the handlebar like this, and to reattach these two brackets, you're gonna find in the back I showed you earlier, with the 4 bolts. Okay, so we just reattach it. I'll do one at a time, and then retighten them up once the handlebar straighten up. The next step would be attaching the rear shock. Actually, looks like it's with nitrogen air inside, so it's air shock with a spring as well, adjustable. So you would need to remove this these nuts and the washer. When you remove them, I don't know why, but they have tendency to drop right inside there. So be careful. If they do drop, I use kind of flashlight like this with magnet. Just pull them out because they're magnet. So I pull them out. Then you would remove this kind of protector, and then you would install. Side will be up. You can install it with air looking up as well, just like that. You would just install it. I believe you will attach the top one and then the bottom bolt. You probably will need someone to hold the bike to help you to insert the bolts. I'll give you a few tips. So I'm still waiting for my wife actually to come to help me to hold the bike, because you would need to have 2 people to install the rear shock. But while I'm waiting, I decided to attach the headlight and also the front license plate. So to do that, I recommend that to start to do at the first level. So basically the first to install this bracket. Okay, so you would attach both of them, one looking down, one looking up, with the 2 bolts from the top. And the best way to do it when the handlebar is off. So once you install this one, then you can attach the headlight later, but I recommend to attach the mounting first, then handlebar. Okay, then you can attach the headlight. So one more tip, it's better to put on the side. I put some protection on the side as well. So I attach the headlight with these 2 bolts and this nuts from this side, tighten them up. It's good to attach the fender before you attach the license plate with the 3 bolts. so it's better to put on the side so it will be easy to match the holes. Once you do that, you would have to put these plastic like pieces inside of these fenders, okay, like that. And once you put it in, then you would reattach with this bolt right here to this hole right there, and then it will stay in place. So these two pieces will go inside the plastic on the fender right here, so it's kind of mounting, but the fender stay very good. So next I will be attaching the wheel. I think I can do it by myself, so I put on the side. So this wheel will moving, so basically you would just insert the wheel with a small washer here first, okay, and then once you insert the wheel in, you put the larger washer from another side, actually the spacer, and when you align them, and then you would secure with a washer and the nut. So that's how it's gonna look. Basically you just push it in, the larger spacer on this side. Actually it's much easier to attach the wheel was than I expected. Once it's on the side, you can also put on the motorcycle stand if you want to, then you will have to have assistant to do that. And then you just grab this spacer, put one over here, and reattach with this bolt. I think it's good to put locking stuff, the blue stuff, and then you would tighten up on both sides. The brakes you need to attach as well once you get the bike up. These are hydraulic motorcycle type of brakes. You would attach it on this side, the mounting from another side there. I'm still didn't finish attaching the rear shock because for some reason it cannot be aligned correctly, so I need some help with my wife to push it. It's a little bit tougher actually than expected. So so far the hardest one for me was to attaching the rear shock. I attach the brakes. The brakes actually very easy to attach. There's two bolts, so brake going behind, and you reattach these two bolts. Then you put the cable right here and secure with two bolts, and it will go behind the license plate. You do need to readjust position on your brakes because it's loosened for reason, so you can readjust it as well for shipping. There's two bolts on two sides, you just secure them once it's ready. The next step will be attaching the pegs, so you're gonna see this kind of teeth, whatever they call them, for traction. And what you do, you would just remove these two bolts from each side and reattach just like that. And here's how it will look. Looks like they are not actually foldable. They basically have spring, but they are not really foldable here. That's and you do exactly the same thing on another side to reattach it. Basically I attach everything. Now it's time for me to resecure everything, all the bolts, the nuts, readjust position, everything, to remove some protection like this. Very nice. And I can say that I'm not sure how they're able to keep the price so low. It's like under $1,200 after discount gonna be. Everything like motorcycle grade tires looks like, the spoke, everything like looks like really like high quality. I'm not sure how quality because I didn't ride it, but I can say that the brakes, it's a motorcycle grade, 100%. It comes with a dot fluid, so it's not mineral like electric bicycles. The motor is there. The shock actually, I think it's too soft for me. I need to put some air in it, so to adjust it to my comfortability, but it's kind of shock. I'm amazed how they're able to put a real nice shock actually. Also the front fork looks like inverted, also very nice. I don't see any adjustment on this fork, but it's pretty soft, comfortable looks like. Handlebar, the brakes, motorcycle grade. Everything like really looking good. So the next step for me will be everything adjust the air to put the air correctly, and we're gonna go for a ride in the next video, I guess. Thank you guys for joining. Again, to assemble the bike, it will take some time. You might want to read user manual, watch my video. So the only things I have hard problem to insert the rear shock because it was on a line, but I finally were able to put, my wife holds the bike and we kind of push it in. So it needs to be started from the bottom and then we put on the top, or either one. It's about the same situation, but I'll already show you how to attach the fenders. The wheel actually was the easiest way to attach, and the brakes, which most people think is going to be harder. And I didn't even need to put the bike anywhere higher. I just put it on the side, and on the side actually it's very easy to attach the wheel as well. The bike is very heavy because it looks like it's made of carbon steel, so the bike is over 100 pounds. I still didn't figure out how to remove the battery. Maybe this way. Looks like on the bottom there's some kind of piece, maybe it's tuning, I'm not sure. I need to figure out because I wonder if the battery is removable. That's something we're gonna talk about in the next video. But so far, the size actually it's more like for teenagers. It's not like very large, but I can ride it as 5'11" feet tall. The handlebar is very wide. It does even come with the turn signals and a horn. So, and actually over here you have hazard light, looks like. So you're gonna get turn signals on the front and the rear. You cannot see that on the more expensive bicycle. So it's kind of fully loaded. Looks like you can even register it for the street riding because it's equipped with everything it needs to be to ride on the street legally. Again, subscribe if you want to get it before watching my review video. Check the link in description for extra 25% discount, and the 25% will be up to end of December, and then after December the percentage might drop. So after my discount it should be under $1,200. Okay, it's the cheapest price you're gonna find probably on internet. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you guys in the next video.